Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's pre-match analysis of IPL 2016 game number 38. KKR take on Gujarat Lions at Eden Gardens. KKR, they are batting first. Gujarat Lions have opted to bowl. A good call by Raina because he has seen that batting first, his openers, when they do not know what the target is, they do not know what pace to score at, and they are throwing away their wickets. In the last three games, their power play scores, they were really bad. They scored under 40 runs and losing 2 or 3 wickets in the first 6 overs. KKR, on the other hand, both the openers are doing well. They got off to a great start in the last game. So we need to see what a good target on this track is. But KKR, if they score anything over 170, it would be really difficult for Gujarat Lions to chase down. Gujarat Lions, they're bowling. Praveen Kumar, he swings the ball up front. He hasn't taken a lot of wickets, but he's a good bowler in the beginning and at the death. Dhaval Kulkarni bowled beautifully in the last game, got a couple of wickets, did not give away too many runs. Good call by Raina to bring in Praveen Tambe in place of Pradeep Sangwan. But then Raina would want to make sure Gautam Gambhir gets out early because he loves to take on the spinners. Ravindra Jadeja, well, he's handy with the bat, but with the ball, he's been flat. He might like this Eden Gardens track to bowl on, so we'll see how he performs. Dwayne Bravo, he was economical in the last game. He's taking wickets. His slow deliveries have been difficult to pick, but KKR batsmen like Yusuf Pathan and Andre Russell, they can hit those slower balls in the stands. Surya Yadav, he's been in good touch, didn't get to bat too much in the last game. Manish Pandey, he might want to contribute some runs today. So KKR, they would like to put on 170 on board and then put a lot of pressure on Gujarat batsmen. Gujarat, on the other hand, well, I've said it earlier, they depend a lot on their openers. Tonight might be a little different. I don't see Brendan McCullum and Dwayne Smith opening again. Aaron Finch, he should move to the top of the order, and Dwayne Smith, he should come down the order. Aaron Finch and BMAC, it's a better opening combination because one of those guys can take on the bowling and other, he can bide his time, score some runs and not put undue pressure on the middle order. Suresh Raina, he's not been amongst runs in the last 3-4 games, so he needs to come good today. Dinesh Karthik, he did not score any runs in the last game, but overall, he's been in good touch and he's been solid in the middle order. Dwayne Bravo, he's handy with the bat, but in this tournament, he's been off color. He's not scoring a lot of runs, so he needs to come good with the bat today. Overall, Gujarat needs to play as a team. A lot of people will have to contribute if they need to win this game, if they are chasing anything over 170. KKR bowling, Andre Russell, he was in top form in the last game. He got 4 wickets. Morny Morkel, he's not easy to get away with. He doesn't give you too many scoring opportunities. The opening batsmen of Gujarat Lions, they love to hit down the ground, but Morny Morkel, he wouldn't give them that length where they can just stand and drive the ball. They have to make sure that they don't give away too many wickets early on, because then Piyush Chawla, he can turn the ball, he can bowl a googly, he can bowl a seam-up delivery, he won't be easy to score off. Sunil Narayan is not playing, so Brad Hogg, he gets another game. He was expensive in the last game. He could not really land the ball, but that was because of the lack of match practice. Shakib Al Hasan, he went for a few runs, but he's a good all-rounder. Overall, this KKR lineup, it looks much better than the Gujarat Lions lineup. But we saw in the last game, SRH versus Mumbai, SRH batted first, and Mumbai, they got all out on 92 runs. It's a T20 game, anything can happen. But as always, I have to pick a favorite. My favorites for today, it's KKR. Bat first, put 170 and win the game. Have a good game, enjoy the game. IPL, it's so much fun. Bye-bye for now. Take care.